Have you ever wondered what connects Guyana to other Caribbean countries? What if I told you that Guyana is part of a larger family, a group of nations that work together to support each other? This family is called CARICOM. But how did it all begin? Here's all you need to know about CARICOM. CARICOM is an acronym for Caribbean Community and Common Market. It was established on July 4, 1973, when 4 visionary leaders came together to form a united movement for economic and social cooperation among Caribbean nations. These 4 leaders were Mr. Errol Barrow from Barbados, Mr. Lyndon Forbes Sampson Burnham from Guyana, Mr. Michael Manley from Jamaica, and Dr. Eric Williams from Trinidad and Tobago. Together, they signed the Treaty of Chaguaramas. You guessed it, Chaguaramas, Trinidad and Tobago, officially marking the birth of CARICOM. Since that historic moment in 1973, 11 more countries have joined, bringing the total to 15 member states. These member states are Antigua and Barbuda, the Bahamas, Barbados, Belize, Dominica, Grenada, Guyana, Haiti, Jamaica, Montserrat, St. Kitts and Nevis, St. Lucia, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, Suriname, and Trinidad and Tobago. But did you know that CARICOM also have associate members? These are Anguilla, Bermuda, the British Virgin Islands, the Cayman Islands, Curacao, and the Turks and Caicos Islands. While these territories are not full members, they still play a role in the region's economic and social development. Did you know that all CARICOM countries are classified as developing nations? While these countries might be small in size and population, they are rich in diversity, culture, and history. Each country is unique, but they also share many similarities and challenges. One advantage is that these countries are close to big markets in North and South America. Over time, many have moved away from farming and mining and now depend more on tourism and financial services to earn money. However, they also face some big challenges. Natural disasters like hurricanes and floods happen often and can cause a lot of damage. Small economies mean they don't produce enough goods to compete with bigger countries. And global problems like financial crisis can hurt trade and tourism, making it harder for these countries to grow. Even with these challenges, CARICOM countries work together to make life better for their people and to build stronger economies for the future. It is important to remember that CARICOM isn't just about trade and business. It's also about cooperation and equal representation. All member states follow the principles outlined in the 2002 revised Treaty of Chaguaramas, which shapes how the community functions. Leaders of member states meet twice yearly at the Conference of Heads of Government. These meetings help 1. Set regional policies and priorities. 2. Address challenges facing the Caribbean. 3. Ensure that every country, big or small, has an equal say in decision making. This means that whether it's Guyana, Jamaica, or a smaller island nation, each country's voice matters in shaping the future of CARICOM.